That looks like trash. Snazzy. All right, look, this looks like trash, right? And you might be dealing with this kind of thing too. And initially I was thinking I might just scrape this off and go to like Plasti Dip or something. But then when I got my eyes closed, come on, get in there with me. It looks like there's paint behind this, which makes sense because when they manufacture these, they just spray the whole door. And then I think they come in and add this little protective strip. Why is it here? I don't really know. My thought though is if I just scrape this off and the paint's underneath, it would look better than it does now. I'm gonna do it with a heat gun and a plastic scraper, so I hopefully don't scratch the paint too bad. Yeah, second cheapest heat gun I can find at Harbor Freight. And I'm gonna hold it on this until you start to see things curl. I don't want to go too much, and I don't want to do too much of the panel at one time. And after I feel like it's good and hot, come in here with my scraper. And yeah, that just comes off pretty easy. Without the heat gun, we go over here. It'll kind of work, but you know, you're gonna be here for a while. You're probably gonna scratch your paint. Well, my plan didn't work because you see these pieces here that are like this like tannish color. That's the primer. And so despite me being not careful at all, I am not going to be able to recover this paint. Now do I have to wire wheel it or what am I going to do? I taped it off for the Plasti Dip and I just threw a piece in here in the seam and then I threw some on the bottom, the sides. You know, I don't know. I'm not being sciencey about it. I think I want to protect a little bit to help the cleanup, and now it's in the shade. I'm going to Plasti Dip. I'm okay with that. Is it perfect? No. But, well, let's take the tape off maybe and see what it looks like. I am going to say that's good enough. Yep.
That's it. All right, cool. All right. Fantastic. Love it. Bye-bye.